Okay, so let's say we want to find the distance between these two lines, y equals 2x minus 1 and y equals 2x plus 4. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to graph them. So 2x minus 1. Okay, and 2x plus 4. Now what we want to try to do is we want to find a perpendicular segment to both of those lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a line that goes perpendicular to both of them. So I know my perpendicular line has to have a slope of -1/2. Okay. Now I'm going to have -1/2 x. And I can pick any point, but it actually makes sense to either choose one of the y-intercepts. Okay, so let's say I choose this line here. So y equals -1/2 x plus 4. So I want to create this perpendicular line here. Now, I know this point is 0, 4 because that's the point I chose. Now I could have chosen 0, -1. And in that case, I would have a line over here, which is fine. We would just have a different point to work with. But let's use this line that I drew in red. So what I want to figure out is, what is this point? Because if I can figure out that point, I can use distance formula. Now, you might be able to just count the number of spaces over, but sometimes it doesn't always end up right on the line. So what I want to do is I want to look for the intersection of this line, which is y equals 2x minus 1, and this line that we created, which is -1/2 x plus 4. So I am looking for the intersection of those two. So how do I find the intersection of two lines? Well, since they're both, we could either do a process of elimination or we could use substitution. Since they're both equal to y, I'm going to set them equal to each other. Remember, we're looking for an x and a y coordinate. Let's say I want to multiply everything by 2. So I get -x plus 8 equals 4x minus 2. So basically, solving here, I get x equals 2. Now, once I have the x coordinate, I can plug it back into one of those two, or it doesn't matter. Let's say I plug it into 2x minus 1, so I get y equals 3. That means the point here that I was looking for is the point 2, 3. So using distance formula, I'm going to use 0, 4, and 2, 3. So I have 2 minus 0 squared plus 3 minus 4 squared. So I have 2 squared, which is 4, -1 squared, which is 1. So I get square root of 5. So the distance between those two lines is square root of 5.